Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 2, OV 1. अथ श्री साई सच्चरित अध्याय 2. The purpose of the narration relating to the recounting of the naming ceremony. श्री गणेशाय नमः, श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः, श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः, श्री कुलदेवताये नमः, श्री सीतारामचंद्राभ्यां नमः, श्री सद्गुरु साईनाथाय नमः. I bow down to Shri Ganesh. I bow down to Shri Saraswati. I bow down to the Guru. I bow down to the family deity. I bow down to Shri Sita Ramachandra. I bow down to Shri Sadguru Sainath. पूर्वाध्यायी मंगलाचरण जाहले देवता कुलगुरु वंदन साई चरित्र बीज पेरुन आता प्रयोजन आरंभो. In the previous chapter, the invocation was completed with obeisance to the deities, elders in the family, and the Guru. Having sown the seeds of the Sai Satcharita, let us commence upon the objective of this undertaking. अधिकारी अनुबंध दिग्दर्शन अति संकलित करु विवेचन जेणे श्रोतया ग्रंथ प्रवेशन आयासे वीण घडेल. We will clearly state the qualification and commitment of the author in a very condensed form, so that the listeners would get an insight into the book without any effort. प्रथमाध्यायी यथानुक्रम करुणी गोधूम पेषणोपक्रम केला महामारीचा उपशम आश्चर्य परम ग्रामस्था. In the first chapter, the sequence of the grinding of the wheat and the suppression of the cholera to the great surprise of the villagers was related. ऐशा साईच्या अगाध लीला श्रवण करिता आनंद झाला तोची या काव्यरूपे प्रकटला बाहेर उतटला प्रेमपूर. Such are Sai's indescribable leelas, which give me a delight to listen. That delight has burst forth from me in a flood of love in the form of this poetical composition. म्हणोनी साईचे धन्यवाद वाटले यथामती करावे विशद होतील ते भक्तासी बोधप्रद पापापनोद होईल. Hence, my gratitude to Sai. I thought of recounting to the best of my capability the experiences which would be instructive to the devotees and will also expiate their sins. तदर्थ हे साईंचे चरित्र लिहू आदरिले अति पवित्र आरंभिले हे कथा सत्र इह परत्र सौख्यद. For this purpose, I have written with reverence and piety this series of stories of Sai, which will bring happiness in this world and in life hereafter. सन्मार्गदर्शक संत चरित्र नव्हे ते न्याय वा तर्कशास्त्र तरी होईल जो संत कृपा पात्र तया न विचित्र काहीच. The life of a saint shows the path to righteousness. It is neither a treatise on logic nor law. If one has been blessed to receive the grace of the saint, he finds nothing strange. तरी ही प्रार्थना श्रोतया लागी भावे जिया आनंदा विभागी धन्य भाग्याचा तो सत्संगी कथा व्यासंगी निरत जो. Therefore, I pray to the listeners to share this joy. Blessed is the fortunate person who is in good company and who devotedly engages in the diligent study of the stories of the lives of the saints. चिरपरिचित जीवाचा मित्र, सहवास ज्याचा दिवस रात, त्याचे नमजरे खाटवे चित्र, संत चरित्र काय लिहू. I am unable to write the biography of an intimate friend of long standing with whom I associate day and night. Then, how can I write the biography of a saint? जेथ मज माझे मज अंतरंग, ओळखू येईना यथा सांग, त्याम्या संत मनीचे तरंग, वर्णावे निर्व्यंग कैसेनी. When I am unable to know my own nature completely, how then can I faultlessly describe the thoughts of a saint? करू जाता स्वरूप निर्धार, मुकावले जेथ वेदही चार, त्या तुझ्या रूपाचा विचार, कळेल साचार मज कैसा. When the four Vedas are silent in describing the inner self, then how can I understand the true nature of yourself?